Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. And today's recipe is Achari Paneer. Its name says it all. It's going to have the flavor of achar. We are going to use all the spices that we use for making achar and make this paneer recipe. And this paneer recipe will be very tangy, a bit of pickly in taste and very interesting. So without skipping the video, watch the entire video, but first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on my channel. And don't forget to like the video. So here I have taken few spices for dry roasting: 4 whole dried red chilies, 2 teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye, and 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi. And over very low flame we are going to dry roast all this masala till they are aromatic and change into color like this. So they have darkened and aromatic. Now I am going to grind them into smooth powder. Now here I have taken 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger roughly chopped, 1 medium sized tomato roughly chopped, and 1 capsicum roughly chopped. Now I am going to grind them into smooth paste. So I am going to do that off the camera. Next, start cooking process. For that, here in a karai I have taken 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When it's nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji. Next, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Keep the flame very low at this stage. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder and fry them for few seconds. After that, I am going to add the ground vegetable paste, which contains green chili, ginger, capsicum and tomato, and we are going to saute it for 5-6 minutes over medium flame. After 5-6 minutes we are back, and as you can see they are quite nicely sauteed. Add salt according to taste. Then goes 1 tablespoon of the ground achari masala powder and mix them. Now turn the heat low, then add 1/3 cup of yogurt or dahi. I have whisked it so that it's nice and smooth, and over low flame add the dahi. Mix it. Now after 2 minutes you will see it will release oil. At this stage add half a cup of water and let it come to simmer over high flame. Now I am going to add the paneer. I have added the paneer. Here I have used 150 grams of paneer. Sorry, my camera just stopped working while I was adding the paneer. Next to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the tartness from the tomato and dahi, and simmer it over high flame for 2 minutes. And it's ready. Serve it hot, and it will be delicious with some hot parathas or some homemade roti. Do make this recipe for your family, and definitely your friends and family going to like it. And don't forget to share the video and comment on the comment section below.